right. One of the reasons I decided to do this class, especially today, was because I want to make sure that everybody's on the right foot or on the right count, right? Why? What is so difficult about dancing? Everybody says to me, well, the one is what? A feeling, right? Everybody says, oh, I find the one, but it's a feeling. Okay.
The one person or the one?
The one, yes, the one person. Let me be more specific. The one in the music, okay? Everybody says, I have a feeling about it. How many counts are in a measure of music? 8 counts. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 8. I wrote it down and I forgot to say it. So, do we count the 4 and the 8 if we're dancing on 1? We don't. Okay? So, how do you find the 1 in the music? There's 2 ways to find the 1 in the music. Does anybody know?
By instruments.
That's good. Damn, you hit it right on the nose. Brand new instrument comes into play, right? So you'll hear it in the melody of the music, right? It'll come in with a brand new set of horns. It'll come in with a brand new, and it comes in with one more thing. What's the other thing? A brand new set of violins. What's the one other thing that it comes in at with the 1?
The percussion.
Starts with a V.
The percussion. Essentially. The V.
Vocal. It's either a brand new instrument or a brand new vocal. Watch.
Siempre tú me esquigas de alguna manera. Si te busco por aquí, me sales por allá. Lo único que yo quiero, no me hagas sufrir más tu pena.
So, we noticed that a brand new instrument and a brand new vocal came in, right? And that was our 1 count. Why is this important? If you know where to start, then you know where to finish, right? So there's a concept called call and response. Does anybody know about that concept?
Yes.
A lot of hip hop artists use it. Everybody say, hey, yo, all right? Right? You guys know about it. That's call and response. And so that's the same thing in the music. Hit the music.
Por tu mal comportamiento te vas a arrepentir. Bien caro tendrás que pagar todo mi sufrimiento. Llorarás y llorarás sin alguien que te consuele.
Pause. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Why is that important? Because we need to know where to start and where to finish. A lot of people say to me all the time, when those dancers are dancing up on the stage, it seems like they know and understand the music. Yes, they probably heard the music 150 times, but they understand the call and response feature, right?
Okay.
And so what you need to do, I wrote repo, because I didn't have any more. It's terrible. What I want you guys to do is when you guys try to find the 1 in the music, right, as you go on through your salsa journey, is try to see if you can find the 1 by using A, the call and response, and B, when an instrument or a vocal comes in. Okay. Now, can you have a call and response only as a vocal?
Anything.
No. The reason why is because you can have it instrumentally, right? Hit the music.
Así te darás de cuenta que si te engañan duele.
You didn't really say much. it's almost like it's talking to you. And that's how you take your dancing to the next level, right? Is now, once you guys get this concept right here, is you'll be able to understand where to lead in. I've seen plenty of videos where you guys are looking up to the sky because you're thinking about where the one is. Now you have a systematic way of finding it, okay? Yes, I've seen it all the time. I see it, it's like this. It's a move like this. And it looks like you guys are possessed. You're like, am I on beat? Am I off beat? Look for your new instrument and your new vocal. Yes?
Yes.
All right, let's get back to class. Let's go.
Oh shit.
That's it.